Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the video in a supported browser and ensuring YouTube is allowed to show overlays. This matters because PyP uses browser windows. Once ready, right-click the video twice to reveal the browser PyP option and select Picture-in-Picture. If you're signed into a managed device, make sure site permissions aren't blocked. Otherwise, PyP won't appear. This step gets the floating player visible so you can continue multitasking without stopping playback. On mobile, you either need YouTube Premium or native OS PyP support. Enabling PyP in system settings lets the app hand off playback to a floating window. Once enabled, start the video in the YouTube app, then press the home button or swipe up. The video will shrink into a corner. Make sure background app activity is allowed so playback continues. This prevents abrupt pauses. After that, you can move, resize, or dismiss the PyP window while using other apps. To finish, manipulate the PyP window. Drag to reposition, pinch or drag corners to resize, and tap controls to pause or close. These affordances keep playback manageable while you work. If PyP doesn't show, make sure permissions are on and your browser or app is up to date, because outdated software often blocks PyP. If problems persist, restart the app or clear its cache. As a last resort, reinstall. That usually resolves lingering conflicts and restores normal PyP behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.